Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned $253 into over $6,000. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $40,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving you any sort of financial advice when it comes to this video. I am only showing you my investments, that where I invested and how much I gained in a very short span of time. So please do your own research when it comes to investments, and after research you are the one who will decide what you're going to do with your money. But please, again, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and do investments according to your knowledge and needs. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here I'm showing you my portfolio and my investment portfolio. For some reason I am not going to say the name, that what is this portfolio, so you already know. So I'm going to use beep whenever I say that name. It's because I heard that YouTube might ban this video, or you can say that take off this video from the YouTube platform if I say that word. I'm not so sure that it's true or not, but I'm just showing you my investments. So I'm not giving you any advice, or you can say that any suggestion when it comes to investments. I am just showing you that how much I gained when I started investing in some of these coins, right? So let's do it without wasting any time. So as you can see, let me click on the portfolio right here. But before, remember that I'm talking about Coinbase right now. It's a very awesome platform for the investments. If you want to invest in coins, so you can do that. It's pretty safe, so that's why I actually use Coinbase. I do have my investments in two other platforms such as Bittrex and crypto.com. So because Coinbase does not have all the coins listed, so like there's some other coins that I wanted to invest, so some of them were on Bittrex and some of them were on crypto.com. So that's why I invested my money on those exchanges. So right here, as you can see, so I'm showing you my platform again. Before moving towards the portfolio, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take this video as your investment video, because I'm just showing you my portfolio, that how I turned only $253 to over $6,000. So without wasting any time, let's click on portfolio. So here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as I click on it, you can see the graph right here. This was actually on the previous screen as well, but I'm just showing it to you. So I'm gonna show you my last year. So I'm just gonna click on last year, and you know how this is a very volatile market. You can see this bump right here. It's crazy, right? So yes, for some time I felt like that I lost all of my money, and then it just boomed, it just went up, and I was really excited when I saw this. So right now, as you know, that this market is actually booming, and so it's totally up to you. Do your own research if you wanna invest in it, but Coinbase, if it's a really good platform if you want to invest. So let's see that how much I was invested. So see right here, I was investing some money. I was actually investing $10 for these only 3 coins right here every week, and then I invested till $53.99. Yeah, I stopped investing right here, and then it started going up, and at one point it went up to $13,000, and I was really excited. I don't know why I did not withdraw the money, but I felt like like I've heard a lot of stories that people became millionaire with this, but almost going to be one. So I was excited at the time, but still, this is just for the learning purpose, and I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just telling you. Then it became really low, and it just came to $833, $883, oh my gosh, even to $500, $400. I was really scared, and I'm like, like I'm not gonna make the money anymore. And then suddenly it just came down to this. I was really excited, and now I'm gonna show you that what are the coins that I have and which sort of portfolio that I actually carry. So right here I'm just gonna scroll down. As you can see that I actually only investing on Coinbase on only 4 coins right here, that is Stellar, Band Protocol, XRP, and OMG Network. So let's click on Stellar and see that why I have most of my investment in this one though. Well, I believe on this project a lot because I follow them. They've been doing great works. Their platform is amazing, their technology is amazing, so that's one of the things. I'm not saying those names, so I'm just gonna use beep in it, that like this is the best beep out there in my point of view. I'm not a financial advisor again, so you can see that why I'm doing it. Let me just show you. You can see this right here, right? So let's see so at one point it went up to 94 cents. This is crazy. So if you've invested like $1,000 when like you're on 11 cents, it became 90 cents or 93 cents, you're gonna make actually like 900 times more than what you actually invested. So it's like $1,000 is gonna be $9,000. This is awesome, and that's why I really believe on this, because like it's very volatile, believe me. So please do your own research before doing that. But this market cap is $2.3 billion. 24 hours volume is 59, actually $540 million. So this is amazing. It has a lot of money on the back end, so that's why I really like this project and this coin when it comes to investments. Let's go back and see what are the other ones that I have. Band Protocol, it's a very awesome project right here. As you know that I love this project. I know it has potential. I've done my research, but again, you do your research before making any investment. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm being really scared right here. I'm just saying it again and again and over again because I don't want to get banned. So yes, so this is what it is. And let's talk about the other one. My other portfolio is actually XRP. We all know about it. It's pretty famous. A lot of financial institutions and banks are actually using this XRP platform to actually do the transactions. So this is amazing. So I have around like $1,400 in it. And OMG Network, yes, I also believe in this one. They've been doing amazing things, so that's why I have my investment in OMG as well. I have some recurring purchases as well. I do only in 3 coins, that is banned. The KNC, of course, I'll tell you what KNC is. I'll show you in a bit. And it's XLM, that is Stellar. So when it comes to KNC, so KNC is actually the Kyber network. So Kyber is also a great platform, but you can see that whenever I invest in it, I just move it to the other currency, because I can see that like this is very stable and it doesn't go up a lot. So that's why like whenever I feel like I just move my money from here to the other coins. So yes, if you have any questions or anything, please let me know in the comment below. So I'm just showing you how I turned my $253 to over $6,000. Technically I made around $30,000, but just like I thought that I'm not gonna withdraw it because like I'm just leaving it for a long time, and I hope one day it's gonna go really up. And if you have any sort of investment in this platform, in this beep, then please let me know. I will be happy to read your comments and I will reply you guys. Thank you so much. Please let me know in the comment below what sort of coins you have, what sort of portfolio you have, and if you like this beep or not. So I'll see you in the next video, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $40,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. Till then, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.